What if you could navigate the complexities of managing a global workforce with the confidence of a seasoned international HR expert? This masterclass turns that possibility into reality. Many organizations struggle with cross-cultural management, international talent acquisition, and maintaining consistent HR practices across diverse global operations. These challenges can lead to failed international assignments, compliance issues, and missed opportunities in global markets. For HR professionals and managers, the prospect of dealing with international HR issues can be daunting, often leading to uncertainty, cultural misunderstandings, and ineffective global HR strategies. This comprehensive masterclass is designed to address these challenges head-on. It equips participants with the knowledge and skills to effectively manage human resources in a global context. Learners will gain insights into international labor laws, cross-cultural management theories, and global talent management strategies. They'll also develop skills in managing expatriate assignments, navigating international mergers and acquisitions, and creating globally inclusive workplace cultures. For organizations, the impact is substantial. They can expect improved global talent management, enhanced cross-border collaboration, and more effective international HR policies. This leads to successful global expansion, improved employer branding across markets, and a truly global organizational culture. On a personal and team level, participants become valuable assets in driving their organization's global strategies. They develop a global mindset, enhance their cross-cultural communication skills, and often see exciting international career opportunities open up. Don't let borders limit your HR expertise. Enroll in this masterclass today and become a true global HR leader.